Welcome to Decoded Smarter Soil, Better Gardens. I'm the Soil Doctor, and today we're unlocking the secrets of companion planting, how plant partnerships can transform your garden. Let's dig in. Our first classic combo is the legendary three sisters, corn, climbing beans, and squash. This ancient planting method has been passed down for generations, originating with indigenous peoples of the Americas. It's more than just a gardening technique. It's a story of cooperation, resilience, and harmony with nature. The three sisters work together in a way that's both simple and ingenious, creating a thriving mini ecosystem right in your backyard. Corn is the backbone of this trio, growing tall and strong. Its sturdy stalks act as a living trellis, giving the beans something to climb. Without corn, the beans would sprawl on the ground, vulnerable to pests and rot. But with corn's support, they can reach for the sun. Beans, in turn, are more than just climbers. As they grow, their roots form special nodules that capture nitrogen from the air and convert it into a form plants can use. This natural fertilization process enriches the soil, feeding the corn and squash, and reducing the need for added fertilizers. It's a perfect example of plants helping each other thrive. Squash completes the trio by spreading wide, its large leaves creating a living mulch. This dense ground cover shades the soil, locking in moisture and keeping the roots cool even on hot days. It also acts as a natural weed barrier, making it harder for unwanted plants to take hold. The prickly stems of squash can even help deter some pests from invading the garden bed. When grown together, these three plants form a self-sustaining system: structure, nutrients, and protection, all in one bed. Each plant brings its own strength, and together, they create a garden that's more productive and resilient than if each were grown alone. To plant your own Three Sisters garden, start by sowing corn seeds in small mounds or hills. Wait until the corn is about 6 inches tall before adding bean seeds around each stalk. This gives the corn a head start so it's strong enough to support the beans. At the same time, plant squash seeds around the outside of each mound. This staggered planting ensures each sister has the space and support she needs to flourish. The result? A lush, vibrant garden bed that needs less weeding, less watering, and produces healthier, more abundant crops. The Three Sisters method is not only efficient, but it also saves you time and effort throughout the growing season. This ancient method is a perfect example of nature's teamwork, and a testament to the wisdom of traditional agricultural practices. For centuries, indigenous communities have relied on this system to feed their families and care for the land, showing us that sometimes, the best solutions are the ones that have stood the test of time. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or just a small raised bed, you can try the Three Sisters in your own garden. It's a fun project for families, a great way to teach kids about ecology, and a rewarding way to grow more food in less space. Give this time-tested trio a try, and discover for yourself why the Three Sisters are gardening at its smartest. Next, let's explore a classic Mediterranean trio: tomato, basil, and marigold. These three plants are not only beautiful together, but they also form a powerful partnership in your garden, each bringing unique benefits to the group. Tomatoes are a favorite in many gardens for their juicy, flavorful fruit, but they're also magnets for a variety of pests, from aphids to hornworms. Left unprotected, these pests can quickly damage leaves and reduce your harvest. That's where basil comes in. Planting basil nearby does more than just add a fresh aroma to your garden. Its strong scent confuses and repels many common tomato pests, acting as a natural shield. Some gardeners even believe basil can enhance the flavor of your tomatoes, making your harvest even tastier. Marigolds are the third member of this team. Their roots release natural compounds that help protect tomato roots from nematodes, tiny, soil-dwelling pests that can stunt plant growth. Above ground, marigolds deter insects like whiteflies and beetles, providing all-around protection. But marigolds do even more. Their bright blooms attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, as well as beneficial insects such as ladybugs, which help keep harmful pests in check naturally. Whether you're planting in a terracotta pot, a raised bed, or a small garden patch, grouping tomato, basil, and marigold together creates a mini ecosystem. You'll enjoy better flavor, natural pest protection, and a burst of color all in one spot. For best results, water at the base of your plants to keep the leaves dry. This helps prevent fungal diseases and keeps your plants healthier throughout the season. Companion planting doesn't have to be complicated. With just these three plants, you can create a thriving, resilient garden bed that's easy to care for and rewarding to harvest. When planning your cool season vegetable garden, consider the classic trio of carrots, onions, and lettuce. These three vegetables not only thrive in the same mild temperatures, but they also complement each other perfectly in the garden bed, making them an ideal choice for gardeners of all experience levels. Carrots send their roots deep into the soil, searching for nutrients far below the surface, while lettuce develops a shallow root system that stays close to the top. This means they don't compete for space underground. Onions, with their slender bulbs, fit perfectly between the carrots and lettuce, utilizing the middle layer of soil. This clever arrangement ensures that each plant has its own space to grow, with no root competition. Plus, onions offer a natural form of pest control. Their strong scent helps repel carrot flies, which can damage carrot crops. In return, carrots help deter pests that typically target onions, creating a mutually beneficial relationship. Lettuce, with its quick growth and compact size, fills in the gaps between the rows, shading the soil and helping to suppress weeds. You can plant this trio in neat rows for easy maintenance, or intermix them in raised beds and containers for a lush, productive look. This method maximizes every inch of your garden space, making it especially valuable for those with limited room. Whether you have a small urban plot or a backyard garden, growing carrots, onions, and lettuce together is efficient, low maintenance, and perfect for maximizing your harvest with minimal effort. Try this combination for a thriving, beautiful, and productive garden. Companion planting isn't about memorizing lists, it's about working with nature. Start with these three trios and watch your garden become healthier and more resilient. Like, subscribe, and join me, the Soil Doctor, for more on Dirt Decoded. Happy gardening!